Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be stenciling on wafer paper. You know this is the season of Christmas, so everything has got to be red and green. Alright, so let's get started. So to stencil on your wafer paper, you need a stencil, any stencil that is available to you or any stencil that you will love to use. And of course, you'll be needing wafer paper because we are stenciling on wafer paper. The wafer paper I'm using is the double thickness. Okay, so now I have already pre-mixed my colors. I am using red and green, and I used vodka to mix it. You can use edible spirit, but I don't think water will be a good option because it will make your wafer paper gooey. Okay, so now I'm going to be painting directly on my wafer paper using my stencil. And unlike other mediums of paint using the stencil, you know, when you are spreading it, this one you have to paint in between the holes just to make sure that you are actually getting on your wafer paper. If you try to just spread your color everywhere, you might just end up making a mess on your wafer paper. So you have to make sure that your stencil is well placed, and then you are putting your paint, you are painting the patterns directly onto your cake, directly onto your wafer paper without making too much mess. So if this is your first time being on my channel and you love what you're seeing, please look below and click on the subscribe button, and also do not forget to also click on the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We love to bake, we love to decorate, we love to work with fondant, we love to work with wafer paper, we just love to do everything with cake. Okay, so I'm done with the first part. So because I was painting directly onto the surface of my wafer paper, my stencil is not messy. So I just decided to take the risk and just go ahead to see if it is going to mess up the other side, but it didn't. All right, so but if you feel concerned, you may decide to wash your stencil before you continue. So I decided to use another stencil to do another pattern. So let's keep going. I'm almost done. Now I'm just going to be pulling out my stencil. You can see that part there where I overdid it. That particular part does not look nice, so you have to be very careful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you are going to be trying it out. I'll be happy to see what you do with your wafer paper. Also, if you have not hit the subscribe button, do not forget to do that. Also, give us a thumbs up and also share these videos with your friends, with your family. There's love in sharing.